going on, guys? Lewd Dude back here again. Check this out. Yes, you are seeing it correctly, a Jeep. And the sound of my voice, you can tell I'm just so enthusiastic about it. Well, this is the Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Well, I had to let the Civic go because of the blown motor, and a crate engine was cheap, yes, to replace the motor, but income wise, I wouldn't have been able to get the crate motor for almost a year because of income sources. So I had put it up for sale for $550. No, wait, $450. My bad. And then I took my paycheck, a portion out of my paycheck, and added it to the $450. And I saw this thing for, what was it? Like $750, and I'm like, no way. So I got the dude down to $550. And it's about 50 miles. It was 50 miles from where I live, where this thing was. And that trip all in itself to get this thing back was a headache. And there's reasons why, but Jeep does stand by their quality, I guess. But it needs some new parts, which I have in the shopping cart. Just gotta order them and get them shipped here. So all this front end's getting replaced, as you can see. Different size tires. Well, go figure. These are the other two tires that go on the front. So they were ran over with rebar, so they are flat. So got to get new tires for these so I can mount them on there to match the car. Let's see. This is a 1997 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo with the 5.9 liter V8 with almost 300 horsepower and 300 and something torque. 273 horsepower, 300 and something torque. It's the biggest engine that they had for this year that they put in there. It's the same one as the Dodge pickup truck. So this is, like I said, the V8, and it's got torque and power. This is where it gets interesting, everybody. Let's open the door. Everything works. I'm surprised, but take a look at this. Look at this is so absolutely disgusting. It blows my mind. I do not even want to sit in this vehicle. Look at this. This thing was mistreated horribly by the owner. So everything you touch, it's nasty. I've ruined 2 pairs of clothes already because of this vehicle. And it smells like a really, really, really sweaty fat person has been living in this thing. It's horrid. So I have my work cut out for me, big time. I've never seen a car this disgusting ever since I've owned one. Like, there's dog shit over there. There's, you name it, it's in here. Mice have been in here. But this is, it's gonna take some work, but the engine's strong. It's just the inside is so mistreated. Like, look at that. It's bad. The story behind this is that this is a farm vehicle. Well, they use it, you know, as a farm vehicle, and they put goats and shit in it. So there's hay under that seat. Mice have been in here. I finally got the mouse out. Nice part is it's wired with the sub, and all speakers work, so, and they work really well. New head unit. Ugh, this is so gross. But look at that. That's dog shit. And chili peppers. Like, really? Chili peppers? This thing, you just rub up against it and you're dirty. So, like I said, sorry about the shakiness, but I gotta get it all cleaned out and whatnot. I took out the floor mats and I had them degreased and then all that. So my daughter is actually gonna help me clean this out. Why she does, I do not know. It's just, she likes this vehicle, so all power to her if she wants to help. But I can't believe I'm gonna sit in this thing. Like I said, it's got an aftermarket head unit. I just took this inside. It's got a Viper security system. It's got the 4-wheel drive all the time, neutral, and then 4 low. All the gears work. It's got the keyless start. See if I can get it to do it. No, I'm not gonna do it because the alarm will go off. So it's got what does that say? It's got 171,799, 171,799 miles on it. So it's still a baby for being the V8. That's pretty much why I bought it in the first place. So that's, the engine's strong, like I said, because I drove it 50 miles from their house to here. I got all the warning signs to pop off, except let me see if I can start it here. This thing is absolutely loud. Except those lights. That's because of the there's a box and a sensor. Sorry you can't hear me because the exhaust is so loud. But let me turn this all off. I said, there's a sensor box in the back for the tail lights, and when that goes bad, these two lights down here, can't really see, but right there, it tells this computer that the tail lights are no good. So I'll get that fixed. But this thing is loud as shit. Excuse my language. I'm surprised this works and it's accurate. Yeah, everything works like I said. So but yeah, this thing's gonna take some lot of love and care in order to get it to where it's manageable. So the bad part is that here's the fun part. Under the front, can't really see because I'm so far ahead. Let's see if I can get it from here. Look at that. My sway bar link, my tie rod and tie rod ends are shot. So I need new sway bar end links, new sway bar, new tie rod end links. Yeah, because I got a death wobble at the last part coming home. So that was fun. This thing had 10 pounds of caked on mud. I shit you not, 10 pounds underneath. And I'd taken a hose and did that. And it took me about 2 hours just to get most of the mud off of under the body. I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but there's still so much left under here. It was as thick as the subframe. So, but this is the side, the driver's side, that is shot. If I can get it in here to show you, right there. That's part of my my sway bar, but that's totally shot. And then my tie rods are definitely shot, so I'll have to replace all of the front. So, but like I said, and it's got heated mirrors, so. But it's an overwhelming project, but I know once I'm done with it, it'll be a good vehicle. So just gotta take the time and get it all cleaned out and stuff. I really do not want anybody in this vehicle until it's extremely cleaned out, and I'm gonna get that console part and get that all cleaned out. So it's just, that's overwhelming. And I know nothing about Jeeps, but I know some about the front end and the diff and all that, so that's helpful. So I'd like to give a shout out to Dan H. He is a YouTuber, and he actually picked one of these up in way better condition for free. So go check out his channel. It's Dan H, and he's the know-all about these Jeeps, and he actually helped me by watching his video on diagnosing some things about the rear light failure box and all that. So big shout out to Dan H. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on this, but for now me and my daughter are just gonna go to town and clean it out. So stay tuned. Alright guys, just got done vacuuming about 2 hours later, the Jeep out. Managed to kill the battery because the dome light was on all that time, but that's not a problem. But take a look at the end results here. There's still a little dirt here, but I'm getting it broke up. And then tomorrow I will go ahead and get this console, get that all taken care of. That's that. So, yeah. Huge difference from what it was. So like I said, all I gotta do now is sanitize the seats, then use leather upholster cleaner, yada, so on and so on. And then I think I can show you this front end now a little bit better, but this is where it is shot at, right there, and then it goes down to here, that right there shot, this definitely. So yep, gotta get that all replaced, and it should be good to go. So, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Boom. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and until next time, Lou Dude out.